Welcome to GoGrid's product demonstration, how to deploy a GoGrid dynamic load balancer. Before we begin, let me tell you just a little bit about GoGrid. GoGrid's cloud hosting platform provides automated provisioning of infrastructure over the internet. That means you can deploy and scale virtual and physical servers, storage, networking, load balancing, and firewalls in real time across multiple data centers using GoGrid's web-based management console or API. It also provides instant access to highly available multi-server environments. This means you can access and operate it using standard network protocols and IP addresses. No new technical skills or specialized equipment is required. Now let's talk a little bit about GoGrid dynamic load balancers. A load balancer is there to prevent application downtime. Customers use load balancing to spread internet traffic across 2 or more web servers. So if one server becomes unavailable, the load balancer will redirect all traffic to the remaining online servers. This ensures rapid scaling of your application and application uptime. You can use load balancers to scale infrastructure by adding additional servers to an existing pool of load-balanced web servers. This handles all incoming traffic requests. This enables you to dynamically manage your load. You can edit the load balancer and shift servers in and out of pools, allowing you to dictate traffic patterns on the fly. And GoGrid dynamic load balancers are designed to be highly available out of the box. That means they're self-healing. So if a load balancer fails, GoGrid's cloud architecture manages the failover while maintaining the same virtual IP. And of course, with GoGrid you also get free 24/7 support and the strongest SLAs in the industry. Our load balancers are designed to support the most common algorithms: weighted round robin, weighted least connect, and source address hashing. There are also various persistence options: none, session cookie, and IP subnet. All dynamic load balancers come with a basic health checker. HTTP verifies the web server is responding. Connect tests for a successful IP connection. And SSL tests for an SSL connection on the real server. In addition, GoGrid also provides basic monitoring and statistics for your load balancing service. To get started, first select Add. Then select Dynamic Load Balancer. Click the Add a Real IP link. Choose the data center where your servers are located. Select either the GoGrid IP address, or you can also enter an external non-GoGrid IP address. For this demonstration, we'll just select the GoGrid demo server. And click Save. Now the server should appear in the real IP list. In the IP addresses dropdown, you'll see the clone of the demo server. Select another server for the real IP assignment, and then click Save to assign the real IP. Now the server appears in the real IP list. Go ahead and select Health Checker. Once again, select the data center. Enter the name of the health checker. Enter the description, and check the health checker type. We'll go ahead and select HTTP. And then click Save to create the health checker. Now the new health checker has been added. Now let's go ahead and select a VIP, and then select the data center. Enter the name of the dynamic load balancer and the description. The default status of the load balancer is enabled. Choose the real IP you want to add to the dynamic load balancer. This is the server. Click Assign, and the real IP is added to the service. Choose another real IP to add to the dynamic load balancing service. We'll select the clone and click Assign. And now you'll notice the real IP is added to the dynamic load balancer service. Click Save to create the dynamic load balancer. And now you receive confirmation that the load balancer was added. So now let's go ahead and set the listeners. Once again, select the data center, name and description. We'll go ahead and set the VIP, select the protocol, and add a listener port. Then we'll enter the real port and select the health checker. Select your persistence options and choose the algorithm. Then go ahead and click Save to create the listener. Once created, you'll see a confirmation that the listener was successful. From the grid view, if you hover your mouse over the dynamic load balancer, you'll be able to see the details. And that's it. That's all there is to deploying a GoGrid dynamic load balancer. Please visit gogrid.com for more videos.